Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I don't like the fact that you can see this girl behind me, so. Oh, our food's here, yay! My food is here, I am so excited.
That looks bomb.
So today we are walking around downtown Gilbert and we are going to discuss how to get the perfect Instagram feed. What like a theme means, like how to pose, stuff like that. And I am here with the boys. This is Jacob and this is Connor. Neither of them know how to use a camera. Thank you. And honestly, like I'm kind of still a rookie. So like we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna teach them how to take pictures of me and each other. It's a learning experience for everybody, but I'm really excited for this video actually. I am excited to have some fire pics because my Instagram game is like, it's been lacking. I haven't been posting as much as I should be. Tip number one is eat before you go. Actually, that's like a horrible tip. Don't eat too much before you go or else you're gonna have a food baby. But like right now I'm shaking because I had too much caffeine.
So subtract 1 tip. So you're at -1 tips.
Thanks.
Tip number 1, eat exactly 340 calories, 10 grams of carbs.
Whose video is this, yours or mine? We're gonna eat real quick and then we're gonna go out and I will get into like the actual tips of the video. And we're also probably gonna dork around while we're at it because none of us can take anything seriously. So mainly Jacob can't take anything seriously. He's the main culprit. Blame him for everything. You just dab. Okay, so I will be back when we're done eating.
Give me another pose to do. Turn like sideways.
Do you want them standing up with the jacket open?
Any good ones?
Eh. That's a good one.
That one? You like the country one?
That was kind of ugly, so it's tough.
Okay, so I'm actually gonna like talk about pro tip number 1 is to know angles. So the first thing I always do is know the rule of thirds. So I'll like draw it on the screen actually, but you're never supposed to have the subject of the picture in the very middle because that like doesn't look good. If we're here and this is like, the frame is the frame, I'm gonna draw the grid on it. So there's like lines here and there's 2 lines there. You always want the subject of the picture to be on like the top line.
I'm like doing this as you're talking about it. I'm like, oh, okay, I'll move it up.
It's so helpful. So
yeah,
like,
no, it looks good.
I'll show you a couple different pictures. I think I still have them of you when you took them at Tempe Marketplace.
Yeah.
Of like the difference between what it is when you don't follow the rule of thirds and then what it is when you do. It just like makes the picture look so much more professional. And then it's also easy to crop in like post-production, but when it comes to cropping pictures that might have been taken on an iPhone, like they start to get grainy, and if you're not using like a DSLR, then some of the pictures, cropping them and like doing angles and stuff afterwards can get kind of like messy. That's tip number 1.
Using the rule of thirds right now.
Rule of thirds.
That actually looks really good. See, it's easy for Kaylee because she doesn't look like me.
Okay, so wait, I'm gonna do tip number 2 before we actually start this. So tip number 2, at least for me, is knowing your theme. So for me, my Instagram theme is all like black and white based. So I try to find backgrounds that are like mostly black and white. Colors like this are really easy to edit in post-production. So like I can turn this gray if I wanted to, or if I decide that I like how it looks, like I can just leave it. But it's a lot harder to change backgrounds with a whole bunch of color. So in my opinion, you should always try to look for ones that you like know are gonna match rather than try to fix them afterwards. What's up, Jacob? Jacob, my question.
Can I do this angle for me as well? Yeah, just like closer, and I'm doing like your torso now.
Yeah.
Using the rule of thirds.
Oh, that's another thing I can talk about, cropping. When you're cropping on a person, you never want to crop at a joint. Never crop at the knees.
That does look better.
Never crop at the ankles.
Oh, that's so weird. I'm such a photographer. Holy crap.
It's so fun to learn, isn't it?
Is it a bad ship? Yeah. Zoom. Oh, this actually looks pretty nice. I think I'm a videographer.
Jacob is in the process of changing, so I am going to just like chill here for a little bit. Train, you cannot. Solid? Solid? Okay, the train's gone, so. Stop! These sunglasses are my new favorite thing. They are from DIFF eyewear, and thank you so much to DIFF for actually like sending me these. This is absolutely amazing. They are the Izzy style, and then they are black with black dark smoke lenses, and they're polarized, and it's like, and I also have another pair of like red John Lennon lenses that I'm gonna be wearing later on in this video, and I'm super excited about those too. They are also from DIFF. They are the Daisy kind, and then it's gold with red lenses, and I'm super freaking excited about all of this stuff. You guys have no idea. The train just came back. What the heck? The code in my description box will give you $25 off. Hit that up. Thank you so much to DIFF for sponsoring me on this video. I am so glad to be working with you guys. Yeah, let's just get back to all the good content.
Okay.
We're gonna do vertical shots, and we're gonna talk about posing.
Remember, guys, rule of thirds.
Whoa, that's a good picture.
Okay, now we're gonna talk about posing, and we're gonna do vertical pictures. So you're just gonna like turn
this.
the camera. Yeah.
Except
so we're gonna
YouTube
do full
can't do
body pictures, and when you're a girl, the easiest way to pose is to put 1 foot forward. Oh, there's dirt on my shoe. So you put 1 foot forward, and you're on your toe, and then on this back foot, you like keep your balance and just go up a little bit on your toe as well. And so you're standing a little bit staggered, so it kind of looks like you're walking, but it elongates your legs, and it makes you look taller. It makes it flow a little bit better, so it doesn't look like your feet are so square. I don't think you could hear me when I was actually back there, so we're just gonna like go over this again. So when you're a girl and you're posing, you wanna stand with 1 foot a little bit forward and staggered, and then you wanna be on your toes. This just elongates your legs a little bit more and makes you look a bit more fluid, and you can just like move around while you're at it. You wanna look natural, you don't wanna just like stand and have shitty posture, like pull your shoulders back. And it's good to also practice in the mirror. I do this a lot. It helps you really know your angles so that when you actually get a picture taken, it's not like you're trying to find your angles. You already know them.
Wait so much. What's up, guys? Like and subscribe below. Follow me. I don't have anything posted to my YouTube channel, but it's gonna be at Jacob Figs.
Follow his Instagram, also at Jacob
Also
Figs.
at Jacob Figs. The
Follow
consistency.
my Instagram at Kaylee Sulz.
Connor is
plug
not
your-
on any social media. This
What?
is Connor.
Who
Social
doesn't
media.
use social media?
So
Did you really just... You're gonna see all the pictures from today on our Instagram. Jacob, stop flexing. How long were you doing that? Are they done? Are they gone?
I think they're done. Let's get this bag, baby.
We were waiting on people to leave the hallway that we wanted to use. Oh, another tip is to know where you're going before you get there. So like this is downtown Gilbert area, and I've been here many times before to take pictures. They're done? Cool. And I know kind of like the spots that I want to hit and the backgrounds that look really good, and it's like easy to pick like a small area and like walk around. It's like best to know where exactly you want to take pictures so you're not just like wandering around doing nothing. So we're going into this hallway right now, and it's just like white on both sides, and then there are these lights that go above. Looks sick, see?
Oh, there we go.
And then also
that
like
actually looks sick.
it's really easy to edit him a little bit lighter in post because this background is so light
Yeah.
that it kind of made him look a little bit darker
It's
than
kind of
me.
the same with the recording too. It's pretty bright.
Yeah, so, but it's really easy to do that in Photoshop. If you guys want me to do like another video that's like Photoshop tips and tricks and like how I actually edit my pictures, let me know, because I will definitely do that for you guys. Like this is kind of like a part 1 of how to get the perfect Instagram feed. This is like the actually shooting, and then the next part can be the actual editing.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones, you won't ache my soul, you can't get to me.